Hey, what is going on, guys? So we're gonna do just a quick unboxing, get the first impressions of the Galaxy Note 10. I just want to show you real quick, give you my first impressions, and give you the opportunity to ask any questions or anything that you want me to cover in the next few days on the full review. In the box, real quick, as we're getting it out, we're greeted by the Galaxy Note 10. There it is. It feels good on the hand. I actually like it better than the Galaxy Note 9. It just feels better. I guess on the sides, it's not as sharp. The edges is not as sharp as the Galaxy Note 9. But for now, let's just put it to the side. Let's go check out and see what else we got in the box. So first thing we're greeted, also we got just a regular SIM card kit. And here we got the power brick. Again, it's not going to be the fast charging 45 watts that Samsung has advertised. But what I like about this one is that it's going to be different. You're going to have a Type-C USB port on the actual wall brick. Usually it's USB, and on the other side again it's going to be USB and USB. So this is definitely something new. Also, it's going to come with the USB to Type-C little adapter that you can use to connect other devices or use it to transfer information. All right, let's keep digging in and see what else we got here. So this is going to be the Type-C to Type-C cable. Also, this is going to be new. I don't know how this is going to impact a lot of people. Now you're not going to have your regular USB. So as you can see, it's going to be USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Again, something new. And of course, you can always use that adapter that it came with it. Last but not least, we're going to have the AKG earphones. Now, they're going to be very similar to the last generations that we've been getting in the last Galaxy S phones and the Galaxy Note phones. But this one are going to have just a Type-C connection. I'm going to do a couple of tests. Later on, I'm going to have a dedicated video to see if there's any difference on the sound quality. But for now, here it is. It does feel like the braided cable, it is a little bit thicker. I don't know, it feels like the quality is a little bit better. But it's very similar, and I definitely like them white as the same color as the phone. And as we've been seeing lately, on the other side, we do have all the paperwork. On the back, you're going to have the SIM card ejection pin. And inside is just going to be just the regular paperwork. Of course, a reminder, it will come with a screen protector. I did have it on with the Galaxy S10 Plus for a long time and it worked really well. And you're going to have all the paperwork like the service agreements, terms and conditions. Just put it to the side. Let's get right back into the Galaxy Note 10. This is going to be a white color, but it does have kind of like a tone of like a beige, kind of like a cream color. It's not fully white, but it's nice. It looks very nice. But I'm going to go ahead and power it up, get it started, and then I'm going to come back and just give you my first impressions. I'll be back. All right, so now we got it powered on. Again, the first thing that I noticed, it feels good on the hand. It doesn't feel as sharp on the sides, on the corners. It has a very good handle. I feel like I can grab this phone, walk around with it without a case, which I definitely won't be doing that. When it comes to the power button, I know it went to the left-hand side. That's going to get used. It's going to take some time getting used to it, but it's easy to reach. If you press on it, it should activate Bixby. Let's unlock it first. So if you press on it, it should activate Bixby, which way better than having the Bixby button. So big plus. Power buttons, again, with the left, I can reach them. There's no problem. No longer having the fingerprint sensor in the back. Camera is not bad. The bump is there just a little bit, not so bad. I guess with the case, that's gonna be flush. Realistically, we're always going to have a case on this phone, and most of the people are going to have a case, so this bump is not going to be a problem. You do have these sensors. I kind of wish the sensors were closer so it doesn't kind of stand out, so the cutout of the camera won't be so noticeable here. So here you have your tray for the SIM SD card. You have another microphone, which is another feature to capture the close-ups, and you have your one microphone on top. On the bottom, again, no more audio jack. Another microphone here, Type-C. Your grill looks nice, and then definitely we gotta check out the S Pen. Pretty clickable, came off easily. We take it out, it's nice. First thing that I noticed is they got rid of the top notch. So you remember the old pen will have like an extra layer or an extra part that will break easily. Now it's basically flush, it goes all the way to the top. So I'm thinking they made it so it will be more resistant. I do like it's white. You have the kind of like a chrome design, so definitely it's different, it's nice. I'm going to do a full video just on the S Pen, but first impressions, I can tell you that the S Pen feels good on the hand. It feels a little bit thicker. I don't know if it's just, it's more rounded on the side, so I can get a better hold of it compared to the Galaxy Note 9. Camera hole in front, definitely that's not going to be a problem. I think that's something we're going to forget about, that it's even there. Much better than the notch, and definitely less noticeable than having the punch that we used to have with the Galaxy S10 Plus. Of course, being new, it is gonna be super snappy, super fast. That's something that is even not worth mentioning. So there you go, guys. I'm definitely liking it. Probably better compared to the Galaxy Note 9. It has a better feel. It doesn't feel, I'm not gonna say it's lighter. We're definitely gonna have to check that out. But it is a little bit heavier compared to the Galaxy S10 Plus. Something that I really like about the Galaxy S10 Plus, that it was a little bit lighter. But time will tell. We'll see. But that was my thoughts, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you want to see, any questions you have. I'll definitely have more videos covering more in detail the features on the Galaxy Note 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.